Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add any task on Windows 11 without Task Manager. So if you're tired of your PC freezing and Task Manager not opening fast enough, in this quick Windows 11 tutorial, I'll show you a hidden trick to add any unresponsive app or task. No Task Manager needed. What you need to do is just turn off this one feature. First, you're going to click on the Windows button and go to the Windows settings and click on System options in here on the left side and scroll down until you find this for developer settings. And in here, you'll see there will be this option Add Tasks. You can just turn this feature on. So you can add tasks in taskbar by right click on the app. So let's just turn it on and close this window setting. So whenever you want to add the task here on the taskbar, you can just right click on the app and there will be this add task option. Just like that, you don't need to open the task manager again. So this is one of those tips you will wish you knew sooner. That's all for me. Don't forget to click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment, and also click on subscribe and click on thanks for more quick Windows 11 tricks and productivity hacks. Bye!